Caffeine affects ADHD. Dopamine levels in the brain have to be within a very narrow margin in order for a person to be able to focus on their work. But in ADHD, dopamine levels are too low. Stimulant chemicals such as caffeine or amphetamines tend to increase dopamine levels. For most people, adding stimulants will push dopamine levels too high, causing agitation and anxiety. But for people with ADHD, adding stimulants can get the levels just right. A few cups of coffee throughout the day can make a real difference. Some studies have found that caffeine can boost concentration for people with ADHD. Since it's a stimulant drug, it mimics some of the effects of stronger stimulants used to treat ADHD, such as amphetamine medications. However, caffeine alone is less effective than prescription medications. Adults can use caffeine safely for their ADHD, but caffeine consumption can actually harm children and teens. Using caffeine with ADHD medications. When caffeine and amphetamine medications like Adderall, amphetamine and dextroamphetamine combine, they cause an effect called synergy. Synergy occurs when two drugs have additive mechanisms of action, making their combined effect more powerful. Caffeine makes amphetamines more effective, so a person taking Adderall, for example, would likely to feel a stronger impact, including greater side effects. Risk of using caffeine. The Mayo Clinic defines heavy caffeine use as 4 or more cups of coffee per day, or 500 to 600 milligrams. Too much caffeine may cause sleeplessness, rapid heartbeat, irritability, anxiety, muscle shake or tremors, upset stomach. Since medication combinations are very hard to control, a person taking both amphetamines and caffeine will also get a double dose of their side effects. Both drugs can cause anxiety, difficulty in sleeping, nausea, and stomach pains. How it works. Stimulants, including caffeine, raise the amount of specific chemicals that your brain uses to send signals. One of these is dopamine. It's linked to pleasure, attention, and movement. When you have ADHD, doctors often prescribe stimulants to help you feel more calm and focused. Some researchers believe that because studies show the caffeine in tea can improve alertness and concentration, it might work for ADHD too. Some scientists think caffeine has potential as an ADHD treatment because of its effect on dopamine levels, which improved memory and attention in rats. In another study, when hyperactive rats were given caffeine before they went through a maze, they got better at it. This suggests caffeine can improve spatial learning. While these studies are interesting, rats aren't people. The most widely used stimulant and the most popular drug in the world is caffeine. It's in coffee, tea, chocolate, soda, and other foods. A few studies have looked at how caffeine can affect ADHD symptoms, but the results have been mixed. Even though caffeine is a stimulant, it's not generally recommended as a treatment for ADHD because it hasn't proved to be as effective as prescription medications. Some people find that caffeine helps their ADHD, while others find that it doesn't offer any benefit at all, or even makes their focus worse. Pay attention to your body and work with your doctor to find out what is best for you.